All right, so we're going to go over how I use AI to create custom email templates. So I use this for pretty much everything. I use this for creating email templates, blog posts, social media posts. I use this in responding to customer emails. Um, I use this for just about everything: marketing planning, analyzing SEO, analyzing various forms of content. I prefer a web page called Copy AI or Copy.ai, but use whatever you want, ChatGPT, whatever. So, in this, I can create brand voices. So, like, I have different brand voices that I've created, and that's what really I like about Copy AI is that you can copy brand voices from different web pages. So, if you have, somebody who you really like the writing techniques and things like that, you can use this to kind of copy that. But for the sake of today, we're not going to do that. But what I will do is I will say, I need to write an email template to send to my customers of King Stone Supply. I'm writing to them to follow up on a quote that is 30 days old to see if they're still interested in moving forward. I want to get them to move forward. So word this in a way that creates urgency, but still keep it authentic and truthful. And then I'm going to use our website, use HTTPS kingstone-supply.com as a background on the company. And then a lot of times I'll attach stuff. So like you can see here, actually it's not going to show you, but actually yes it will. Hashtag. These are all of the various things that I have uploaded to within here to use. So if I have certain goals, things like that, brand strategy, whatever I want, I will add that into my attachments typically. So if like there's a specific product that we want to push, that we want it to understand the information about, I will upload a flyer with that information into Copy AI's database. That way it knows it. So you can also, go through any different prompts. So, analyze industry trends, content ETO, email marketing. So, attention getters, subject generators, newsletter inspiration, paid ads, recruiting, sales, social media strategy, all sorts of different prompts that can be used. But for the sake of it, we're going to use this. We're going to hit send and let's see what it puts us out. Takes just a minute. So here's a professional authentic email template. So it'll say, dear customer, I hope this message finds you well. I'm following up on the quote we provided. So this is where that hashtag would come in the email template, where you can insert the date of said quote. But basically, we offer local delivery, unloading options. We're ready to move forward. Simply reply to this email or call us. We'd love to work with you. P.S. Don't forget to ask about our customer friendly delivery options, because we mentioned that on the website. So, this is what I use primarily. And feel free to use whatever you want, but this is what I like. It's called Copy.ai.